Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, as you saw in the last video, we've got this beauty out of storage. Gave it a little bath. We got half the dirt off and half the paint. But what you also saw, hopefully, because I haven't edited that film yet, and the camera was acting up, this is the battery that was in the Fordor, and it would not start the car. So we threw another battery in, but it doesn't fit. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to test this, show its current state, and I'm going to show you a trick. Okay, see, this has got, maybe it was just a bad connection. We're on bad. We're down to 8 volts. You can see that or not. Battery is bad. Right there. Ooh, it's getting worse than bad. It's super bad. We're down to 4 volts. Alright, so it's bad, you know it. So we're going to try and revitalize, regenerate, reconstitute, recombobulate, recombobulation without procrastination. So we're going to take the caps off. We're going to look down the holes. We're going to look down the holes as best we can. See if there's water in it. Bring it up here. There's a screen. I swear, if it's not one thing, it's another. We do have... Okay, these all have water in them. They're all up to level. I know for a fact that this battery has not been used. It was put in the car, started once, maybe twice, and then parked for... Okay, and that magic little trick. Magnesium. I'm going to put a little bit in each hole. Actually did this with the battery that I put in the camper. I mean, in the Model T yesterday. Camper. I did it on the ones in the camper too. If I can get any out of the bag, we'll be in business. I don't know who... Oh my god, who designed this bag? This is terrible. Now that we're done screwing around, this doesn't blow up on me. That would be terrible. Make good video though. I went in the wrong hole. Okay. Our water's topped up. I'm going to wipe that off before I close it. Close up our bag. Fixing batteries doesn't have to be a drab affair. There's a battery charger we were using on it yesterday. It is non-regulated 6 amp. And we're going to put 6 amps into this until it can't take it anymore and boils over. Now the reason that we do this, the reason that I'm doing this, is because the problem with the batteries is the plates get corroded. So when the plates get corroded, they no longer work. So the magnesium is said to break down that corrosion, that oxidation or acidization. I'm not sure on the technical term, but basically there's plates in there, lead plates, and they get rusty pretty much. And this is supposed to take that rust off. And we should have a good battery now instead of going to the store and spending $200 or $300 on one. This is a 35 DLG, 640 amps, cold cranking. Duralast. Not sponsored yet. Hint, hint. All right, we'll check back in on it when probably tomorrow. While we wait for that, let's check out the mouse damage. See what we got. I'm just going to tuck you up in here. You get a good view. Let's see what we got. Nothing. Oh, no, not nothing. Take the seat up so you can see. I'll look over here. Well, I guess we're going to do a little vacuuming. I can't for the life of me figure out why this is in here. Found a straw. Alright, let's get that vacuumed out. Blech. I'm slightly surprised we still got a broken strap. I think the ones for the Jeeps will work. Cleaned up. Not bad. Seats all vacuumed. Got the mouse turds out. No ketchup found, just mouse turds. So, I guess that's it. Clothes are all up. Still gotta find some new rags. We can afford new rags, right? But it is running. It is driving. Check the tire pressure. Check the lug nuts. Somebody said one of these was loose. We'll find out. Get it taken care of. If I can find a match to this paint, maybe we'll do one panel at a time. We'll make it prettier. I think this should be black too. Jim, what do you think? Make that straight black. Up and all the way around. I don't think I'll do these. I don't know. I'll have to think on it. I think this right here should be black. I don't think I'll do all the way around the doors either. I think that'll look be a little too much. On to the next task. It has been 2 days. It's take a little look. I see bubbles. And you still got all. Yeah, there's some big bubbles. Okay, so I'm going to guess that this is done. Put you back on the tripod. Positive. Negative. And we have almost 14 volts. And we put the load to it. Staying right in 12. Stay in there. Stay in there. And we're back up to 12 and a half. So that is one reconditioned battery. I'm actually going to put that back in the car. The only thing left to do is to tap the caps back on gently. And just like that, we've taken a junk battery and made it work like it was when it was new. There's my tip for the Duralast Proven Tough Gold. Not sponsored yet. Alright, well, thanks for sticking around. I'm not going to film me putting this back in the car. That was a nightmare. So yeah, stick around for the next one. Thanks.